Good morning, everyone. I just want to share with you this morning a quick tutorial on how to complete your assignment in Google Classroom. So, for those of you that were able to log into Google Classroom, this will probably be the page you'll see. And if you look on top, if you click on Stream, you get to see all the messages that your students, your friends, and I have written to each other. So that was really good. For classwork, if you click on that classwork, you will see a list of all the assignments. If you go to Distance Learning Day 1, click on that, you will see the Google slide for Day 1. Right now, I have one student that turned in, so yes, shout out to Kaylee. Thank you so much. You're awesome. This is new for everyone, so I know it's going to take time, and I know I will get more turned in as the days go by. So, click on the Google slide, which will take you to the slide itself. This is the cover page letting you know that it's Day 1. Here's a picture of us in the classroom. Here's a direction. It just basically says you can type right into the Google slide, or if you have a trouble with that, you can write it out on a piece of paper, take a picture, and upload it on Seesaw. Daily check-in. This is optional. If you want to let me know what zone you are in, you can click over here, which will take you to Google Forms. And then you just let me know how you're feeling today. Okay? Back to Google Classroom. Oopsie. Okay, back to the slide. Day 1. This is a schedule of what you need to do for ELA. Reading, 30 to 40 minutes. You complete the reading log. There's a reading task. And then if you want to, you can do Lexia for 20 minutes. Writing. For math, there's a spiral review, math task, and math facts practice, or Freckle. And then science article that I want you to read and answer the questions, and PE. Reading log. If you go to reading log, and let's say you read Because of Winn-Dixie, you click on it, and you can just type right onto the slide. Author, Kate DeCamillo, I think. And if you read pages 1 through 20, and then minutes read, 20 minutes. And then you go to the next slide. This basically asks you to choose a book from Raz Kids, Epic, Freckle, or your own collection. And then you remember the story by writing down what happens beginning, middle, and end. Again, go to the next slide, and you can say, you can just type right here. In the beginning, Opal finds a dog at the grocery store. Period. And so on. Okay. Writer's Workshop. Write a personal narrative about a memory that you had when you were happy, calm, focused, or content. Then you go to the next page, and you can start typing again. I remember the time, time when I went to Disneyland with my family, and so on. There's a Lexia. You can go to Clever to do Lexia. For math, you can't type right onto this one. So what you have to do is go to text box and then create a text box right in the thing. Yeah, that's small actually. And then you can move it up. And 137 rounds to 140. and that's too small. So I'm going to take that and make it bigger, going to the font, making it maybe 24. Too big. 18. Now, if you don't want to do this, and if you don't want to create a text box one by one, this is where you can definitely write on a piece of paper, because I know this can be tedious. And move it up to the box. You can do it on a piece of paper and upload it to Seesaw. There we go. Okay. For this math task, you can write down the equation and the answer right here. So answer equation is, let's say, if it's 9 times 6, and then write down the answer. This one, again, you have to create a text box. Text box right here, and the answer is 70. All right. Science. This is a link. So if you click on this link, the link comes up. You click on it, and it takes you to Freckle. The class code is Tom, CC. Enter. You put your first name and last name. Let's say this is Angel's account. And then it takes you right to the article. You can read the story, and then answer the questions right here. You cannot answer the questions until you read the article. Okay. Here's a Freckle. This is a link again. You can go straight to Freckle and practice the math skill of your choice. And then, since you've been sitting for a while, you can get up and do any one of these activities. Here are some other websites for you to explore in your own time. And then last but not least, remember to wash your hands, don't touch your face, stay calm, healthy, and helpful. All right. In the meantime, if you have any questions, you can always go back to Google Classroom, and you can write comments right here. Okay. So I hope this was helpful, and let's get this done. We can do this. You are awesome. Thank you. Bye.